Solving exponential equations, part 2. So today I have also selected 5 different problems on exponential equations, so we will be solving them together. So the first question, it is 5 to the power of x squared plus x is equal to 25. So to solve this one, the right side of this equation is 25, so we have to factorize it in the form of 5 squared. So the left side and the right side, they have the same base. So now the exponents of both sides, they would be equal. That is, x squared plus x is equal to 2. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve this problem in different method. We can use a quadratic formula, or we can write this one by factorization form. That is the sum and product method. Sum and product method, the sum of two numbers that gives 1, that is the coefficient of x, and their product is minus 2. So these numbers are 2 and minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Therefore, x plus 2 times x minus 1 will be 0. So when we solve for x plus 2 is equal to 0, we would get minus 2. And for x minus 1 is equal to 0, the value of x will be 1. So our solution set is minus 2 or 1. Minus 2 or 1. You have to put this answer in a set notation form. Okay. The second problem is 4 to the power of 6x minus 8 and 2 to the power of 3x plus 11. Now the left side equation, we have to rearrange it. That is, 4 must be in the form of 2 to the power of 2. Then we will multiply this one by 2. So it would be 12x minus 16, which equals with 3x plus 11. This is a linear equation, so by rearranging or collecting like terms, we can solve for x. So when we bring 3x to the left side, it would be minus 3x, and 16, when we take it to the right side, it would be positive 16. So 9x is equal to 27. Now dividing both sides by 9, the value of x will be 3. Okay. The third equation, it says 2 to the power of x squared minus x is equal to 4. Now the right side of the equation will be changed into 2 to the power of 2. Now these two parts, they have the same base, so we would make it like x squared minus x is equal to 2, like what we have done before. Now when we take 2 to the left side, it would be negative 2, so which equals 0. Now by using factorization form, using sum and product method, sum minus 1, the product is minus 2. So these two numbers are minus 2 and 1. Therefore x minus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So when we solve for x from these two forms, that is x minus 2 and x plus 1, the value of x will be 2. Here the value of x will be minus 1, because x minus 2 is equal to 0 at x is equal to 2, and x plus 1 is equal to 0 at x is equal to minus 1. So these are the numbers that makes them 0 marginal. Good. Question number 5, it says 3 times 27 over 8, the power of 2x over 3 minus 1 equals 2 times 32 over 243, the power of 2x. Now, the bracket side, let us factorize it. 27 over 8, it means 3 the power of 3 and 2 the power of 3, which means 3 over 2 the power of 3. Now we would multiply this part by 3. So it would be 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and this part will be minus 3. So now 6x over 3, it would be 2x. So I can simplify it. So it would be 2x minus 3. The right side part, 32 means 2 to the power of 5. 243 means 3 to the power of 5. Therefore, this would be 2 over 3 to the power of 5. And then 5 times 2x, it would be 10x. This minus sign, I will come to it. Now look, the left side is 3 over 2, but this one is 2 over 3. So to make them the same, let me tell you this one. 2 over 3 is the same as 1 over 3 over 2. 1 over any number is that number the power of minus 1. Therefore, 2 over 3 we can write it as 3 over 2 the power of minus 1. So minus 1 times 10x, it would be minus 10x. Again, there is one thing left. Here we have 2, okay? There is 2 here, 2 times of this number, and again there is 3 here. So we have to bring 2 to the left side by dividing both sides by 2. So it would be 3 over 2 times this expression. Now, you know that's two numbers, for example, a the power of x, okay, a the power of x times b a the power of y, if we have this kind of expression, a the power of x times a the power of y this is the same as a the power of x plus y. So the same is true here, 3 over 2 the power of 1 times 3 over 2 the power of 2x minus 1 minus 3. So we will add the powers. Therefore it would be 1 plus 2x minus 3. So 1 plus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 10. Now let us rearrange this one, minus 10x to the other side. It would be 12x. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. When we take it to the right side, it would be positive 2. So dividing both sides by 12, we would get 1 over 6. So this is our solution set.